Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So I'm doing a little staycation. First time ever checking into the Wilderness Lodge. I've hung out here a bunch of times but never actually stayed in, so I'm excited to see what it's like. So when you first walk in, these are gonna be the doors to go inside the lobby. So here you go. It was nice with the cool AC. Oh, and then toward the right is where you can check in. Well, you can do it on the app, but sometimes the app's kind of funky, so you might have to wait to check in right here at the desk. Oh, the tree's gone. Last time I came here, they had the big Christmas tree in the lobby, which was so pretty, but it's not there anymore. Oh my gosh, guys, you won't believe what just happened. So for some reason on the app it didn't show the reservation for the room, so I went to the front desk, talked to the lady that worked there, and she's like, I can't find your room in the system. Like, huh? And then all of a sudden got upgraded for a free bedroom suite. It was supposed to be a deluxe room. I got lucky, and now I'm gonna go into one of the nicer rooms. I can't wait to see it. I'm super excited. This day has been going great, better than I expected to be. That's why they say good things come to those who wait. So I must be the only weirdo in here, but like every time I come into the main area or lobby or whatever of a Disney resort, it always smells so good. I don't know why that excites me. Little things like that I get excited about. Now trying to figure out where the room is, because like I said, I've never stayed here before, so it's a little confusing. Even though they have room signs all over the hall, but you know, first timer here. So I'll be staying here at 4523, and you can have a magic band to open it. Oh my goodness, whoa, this is cool. You have your little kitchen area. This is really nice. Then you got the couch, the TVs. Oh, I like this view, because you can see the pool from here. Oh, does this open? Oh, this view is amazing. Check this out, guys. I have a pool view, and then you can see my favorite lounge is back there, the Geyser Point, and then you see the lake. Wow. So I'm in the main bedroom right now. This is a huge, big king-size bed. They have a TV, a couch, and it connects right into the bathroom. That's why there's a little, you can see right from the bathroom into the bedroom. And this bathroom is amazing. Check this out. I got my own personal hot tub in here. Ooh. And of course you can't go without your Disney H2O soap. Disney soap is the best. Wow, we'll see what's in this. A big size closet. Oh man, this is fancy. Oh, there's another part of the bathroom. Let me get some light up in here. It's so dark. There we go, much better. There's me, more Disney soap. I like the shower, nice shower. Because you guys know me, my favorite part of hotels when I go in is the bathroom. I love nice bathrooms, so. And this is just the toilet. But yeah. This is a really nice upgrade compared to the deluxe room. Oh, if you need to do laundry, washer and dryer. Wow, just wow. Let's see what's in this closet. Oh, nothing in there, but yeah. Of course, every time you check into a Disney resort, you gotta have the screen where it shows you all the park times. And yes, this every Disney resort you check in, you turn the TV on, it all pops up. You know, like home away from home, man.
Love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah. You're the light inside of me every night. We're chasing dreams.
walk to ride the slide. You gotta go up this one walkway. Really bright. Oh man. Oh, here we go.
I can show you.
The geyser going off right now. That's crazy. So for today's lunch review, I'm eating at the Geyser Point, which is one of my favorite lounges here at the Wilderness Lodge. As most of the Disney restaurants are doing, to see the menu, you have to scan this QR code. So it's really simple. You just take your camera, you hold it against the QR code, this pops up, and this is the menu here. So for my drink, I am going to be getting, oh, it just is, whoa, what is it doing right now? Okay, I am getting the Banana Cabana, which is Cruisin' Mango Rum, Parrot Bay Coconut Rum, Bowls Cream Day Banana, Orange Juice, Pineapple Juice with a float of grenadine. And then I heard that they're, for the food, I am going to be getting the Bison Burger. So what it comes with is bacon, sweet crispy onion straws, lettuce, tomato, and garlic aioli. I think that's how you say it. But they're very famous for that burger here. I heard it's really good. I have never ate it. I'm not usually a burger girl, but I heard that's like one of the best burgers here. So, I mean, I'm gonna try it. I'm here at Geyser Point, and the view is amazing. Like I said, the weather is so nice out here. Look where we're sitting near the lake. Sometimes you will see the boats go by, and then behind me is the bar. So if you don't want to eat here, you can just go to the bar right behind me, grab a drink, and then go back to the pool. But I'm actually at a table because I want to try the Bison Burger for my lunch, because I haven't really eaten all day. I just like went straight to Hollywood Studios and then came to the resort to check in. So I'm pretty excited to try it. So the cocktail has finally arrived. Like I was telling you guys earlier in the video, I ordered the Banana Cabana because I like my drinks fruity. So let's see how it tastes. Big chunk of pineapple right here. Oh yeah, it's refreshing. Kind of tastes like a rum punch. That's what it's like. It's really sweet and fruity. It's a perfect drink on a nice sunny day here. So the Bison Burger arrived a lot quicker than I thought it would be, but it looks so delicious. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh. And then you can get it with fries or whatever side I want. So I got the sides that you see. As you can see, it comes with the bacon and stuff. I can't wait to try this. It looks so delicious. So let's see if it looks, it tastes as good as it looks. It's a huge burger. Oh man. Whoa. Probably one of the best burgers I've had on Disney property, because usually I don't really like Disney burgers for some reason, because it's usually bland. But the flavoring in this, it's delicious. So in the Dvc lobby has a bunch of cool different like paintings and like a lounge area. So there's a bunch of seats and tables. You can sit and just chill out and relax in here. So this section of the Wilderness Lodge is called the Boulder Bridge, the DVC section. And look, they even have a little fireplace that you can just go and maybe like during the cooler weather, just grab like a hot chocolate or coffee or something and just sit here and relax. This is pretty neat. I like this. And I like this little what do you call it? I guess a tree house or something, right in the middle. And then like my room is up on the second, third, fourth floor, I think. Yeah, up there. That's pretty neat. And then there's another quiet little area, and it has a cool little train set here. And then if you want somewhere to like study or like do some work, you come here. And then another fireplace right here. That's pretty neat. And a bunch of different rocking chairs. I like this little room. It's a little hidden quiet room. Wow. So look at this little rocking chair. It's so comfy. It's big and leather seats, and like I said, it's quiet back here. So nice little area to lounge in. This is one of the geysers that are inside the lobby. I know I had showed you the one by the pool area, but this is the one inside the lobby. And the Wilderness Lodge has one of my favorite lobbies. I just love all the lighting and stuff in it, especially around the holiday times. It's so pretty. Like, it's so huge in here, and it's just amazing to look at. So one of the restaurants that I do have here, I mean, I'm not eating there tonight, but I just wanted to point out where the location is, which is right here where my finger's pointing at, is the Whispering Canyon. It's one of the popular restaurants here inside the lobby of the Wilderness Lodge. So in every resort, you can basically buy the same things that you get in the parks. Look, they even have the Disney HU also. And then they have some new Dooney and Burke magic bands. Those are really neat. That's fancy. And they have a bunch of different snacks and drinks. So it's like a little convenience store back here. So in case you forget anything, you need to bring something to the room, they have it all inside the store. This gift shop is very convenient. And they sell the masks and the shirts and spirit jerseys. Basically like everything, like I said, that you get within the parks. Even some ears. See? The same kind of stuff. The hats. Like anything you need, they basically have it here. So for breakfast, I'm going to be eating at the Roaring Fork. You would have to mobile order. So basically, it's really simple. Like I said, most of the restaurants here at Disney is you got to scan the QR code. So you just pull out your phone, pull this up, this comes up. And then you just click place an order. And order food. And you just pick the arrival time. And they have a little bit of everything. So they have like cupcakes, chicken and waffles. They have entree like breakfast platters, bagel sandwiches, potato, bacon, Mickey waffles, croissant, chocolate croissants.
I stepped here for a second.
So it's a little bit of everything here, and it's really quick. As soon as it's done, they'll text you and pop a message saying, "Hey, your order's ready," and you will go in and pick it up. So the food is ready. Like I said, mobile ordering is really quick. So there goes the bacon and muffin, I think this is. I got my favorite chocolate croissant, and yeah, can't wait to dig in. So let's see how this looks. I've actually never eaten breakfast here. The only place I've ever had food was at Geyser Point, so I'm curious to see how this is. There goes my chocolate croissant. It's funny, like I was telling you guys, every time I go somewhere, I'm always ordering something chocolatey. I don't know, it just always ends up happening that way. How is the bacon?
Not as crispy as it needs to be, but
so, there is the bacon. You can never go wrong with bacon. Yeah, it's a little on the soft side. I prefer my bacon really crispy, but it's still good. So one cool thing is, one of the transportations you can take from the Wilderness Lodge is the boat. So you just come right over here and you walk right in. It's very convenient and it's fast. Let's go to the front. I love the front seats. I love the front row because look at this view. You can see everything, and it's a beautiful sunny day out today. This is a really cool, nice boat ride because like you can get a view of the contemporary On the Copper Creek Falls area, you can see this little walkway, so I want to show you so you can get a better view than down here. You actually can walk up there too. There's some steps up there, so I'm going to show you. Let's go. Oh man, it's a really hot day out. It's humid. This is on top of the Copper Creek Falls. So, but that's the view from the top up here. The hardest part about this trip is saying goodbye. I hate when it's time to leave, because you know, it's like when you're having fun, you know, the time goes by quickly. But I'm pretty sure in the future there'll be some more staycations. I had fun in the pool, in both the pools. I went to both the pools. My favorite one was actually the kiddie pool, because going down the slide, it was like a water park. And then eating in my favorite lounge bar area at Geyser Point. I had the Bison Burger for the very first time, which was really good. And the banana, whatever drink is called, was really good too. And the rooms, like I said, I got upgraded, which I wasn't expecting. I was supposed to actually get a deluxe, and it got upgraded to a one-bedroom suite in the Boulder Creek section of the DVCs. And I was like, whoa, it was like a nice surprise. So like this whole trip has been more than what I expected it to be. It was really nice. It was clean. I really liked it. It was a good experience. And stay here at the Wilderness Lodge. Have you guys ever stayed at this resort? Let me know below, because it was my very first time staying here. Like I said, I've hung out a lot, but never actually stayed like in the rooms and stuff. So it was cool. If you guys enjoyed this little staycation with me, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.